So far, I've shown you that when given a function f of x here, you can apply, well, when given this function here, you can apply f of minus 1. You can apply this transformation here. And then it's in effect a reflection. So what was here, it will get shifted over here. What was over here, it will then get shifted over to here. It's a reflection along the y-axis. So now I'm going to show you a new transformation. Let's say when given a function, let's say f of x here, you can apply this transformation, minus f of x. So basically, you work out your whole function and then stick a minus in front of it. And this is really a reflection along the x-axis. So what was here will then get shifted down here. What was down here will then get shifted up here. So it's similar to this function here, but then you're reflecting it along the x-axis. So let me give you an example. So here, hang on, let me clear this. So when given a function, it could be any function here. So here we've got a function f of x. Now we're going to apply this transformation here, minus f of x, meaning that you work out your whole thing here and then you stick a negative in front of it. So what that means is, well, you working out your whole thing. So we are applying this transformation here. We are applying this transformation here. So you would then work out your whole function first. So your whole function, let's say at 1 here. Your whole function, you work out your whole function first. So your whole function is at 1 here is right here. But then you stick a negative in front of it. So then here, which is 3 here, it then gets shifted. Well, it then gets reflected down to here. Okay, so this point here will then get reflected to this point here. Okay, and then if you look at this point here, from here to here is 1. So it's really u. Well, it was here, and then it gets moved to here. So your new point will be here. Okay, so if you look at this here, this is 4, but then it gets moved down to negative 4. So everything is being reflected along this line here, along the x-axis. Okay, so this here is roughly 2. So it will then, hang on, it was here, but then it will then get moved down to here. So your new point will be here. So your new graph will look something like this. Okay, so at the moment you've got the red line here. Okay, and now you applying this transformation here. You applying this transformation here will take you to the blue line. Okay, so what is the equation of this blue line here? Well, if you look at this function here, after applying this transformation here, so but basically it's you doing the whole function. So do the whole thing first here, and then stick a negative in front of it. So let's call this blue line g of x here. The equation for g of x here is this. Well, take your whole thing down here. It's you working out the whole thing first. So it's you working out the whole thing first, meaning this. Hang on. So this is you working out the whole thing first, and then you stick a minus in front of it because you're applying this transformation here. So you would do the whole thing first and then stick a negative in front of it. So then this would then be well, negative, and this here would be negative 3x to the power 3. Here you've got a negative and a negative, so that would be plus 3x squared, and then this and this, so that would be negative x, and then this and this here, that will be negative 4. So the equation of the blue line here, so g of x, which is a reflection of f of x here, well, g of x is given by this. Okay,